Hello, and I welcome you all to my new Shopify tutorial. My name is Prichraj Bhatt from Mitanshi Technologies. Today we are exploring how to create 301 redirects in Shopify. Redirects help to fix the broken pages in your store so that your SEO efforts are not wasted. In this video, I will show you two methods to fix this issue. So let's begin. The first method that I'm going to show you is how to manually redirect pages in Shopify. So let me run my store over here and let me open the product Levi's jeans. Here is my product and the current URL right now is products/Levi's-jeans. Now say for example this is the new URL and the old URL consisted of just Levi's. If I search for it, I will get a 404 page not found error because that URL does not exist anymore. But I want all the people who are hitting that URL to get redirected to my current page. How will I do that? Let's see. Head to the content option on the left hand side. Then go to menus. You will see an option URL redirects on the right hand side. Click on it. You will get two options, import URL redirects and create URL redirects. For now, let's go for create URL redirect. Here I will enter the old URL and here I will enter the new one. When you have checked the from and to values, just click on save redirect. Now if I will open my store, this is my store, and if I search for /products/Levi's, which is my old URL, and if I press enter, you will see I got redirected to the current page. So now that anyone visits the old URL, they will be simply redirected to the current page of my Levi's jeans. So this is how you can do it manually. And if you have multiple URLs to redirect, then let me show you how to do it in bulk. To redirect URLs in bulk, follow these steps. Go to content, then click on menus, then click URL redirects. Now click on import button. It will ask you to upload the CSV file. In case you are wondering what the formatting of the CSV file should be, don't worry, just download the sample CSV template. Let me show you how this template looks like. So if you will download that CSV, you will see that there are two columns, redirect from and redirect to, and the links along with it. So now let me create a CSV file containing multiple values. So here is the file that I have made. I have just used two values. Let me import this file. As soon as you will upload, you will see the values here. So you can confirm if they are correct. If they are, just click on import redirects. It's complete. When you will refresh the page, you will see that the from and to values have been reflected here. Now let's run the store and see if it works. Say for example, this is my old URL, and if I press enter, you see that we got redirected to the current B2B statistics PDF page. So this works. Now let's check the other URL. If I write glasses over here, they should be redirected to Ray-Ban glasses. And here it is. They got redirected to Ray-Ban. So this is how you can manage redirects in bulk. Now let me show you an even more effective way of handling broken links in your store. The simplest and easiest way to handle broken links in your store is by using our application known as MIT Broken Links Fixer. Let me show you how to install this app. Click on Apps, then click on All Recommended Apps. Click on Shopify App Store. Search for MIT Broken Links Fixer. Here it is. This app gives you an overview of all the broken links on your site, and you can easily set your 301 redirects to the relevant live page. Click on Install. Grant all the permissions and again click on Install. And congratulations, the app has been installed. So now that the app is installed, make sure that you have enabled the app in your theme. To do that, go to Online Store and click on Themes. Click on Customize button. Go to App Embeds page on the left hand side and enable this app. Click on Save. And now the app is active on your theme. As you can see, now I have this app over here. I open the app, Broken Links Fixer. This is the dashboard of the MIT Broken Links Fixer. This is the app status. Make sure that it is always active. And here is the graphical representation of it. If I will open the broken links section of this app, you will see that the app has automatically detected 3 URL links which have been broken. And to fix them, I simply need to paste the URL where I want the page to get redirected. So for example, if someone is searching for /product/new, then I'll just write. As you can see, I have redirected them to the Ray-Ban page. I'll click on Save and it's done. Now if anyone will search for product/new, they will be redirected to product/Ray-Ban. So easy. Now let's check if the redirect is actually working or not. Let me open the store. I search for products/new. And we got redirected to the Ray-Ban products page. So the redirect is actually working, and we did it with the help of the application and not manually. So this is how you can use this app in order to fix the broken links in your store. So I hope you can now manage redirecting URLs in your Shopify store. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Shopify related content. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.